and a hatred that led to the Holocaust, of which the Honourable Lady spoke. I'll give way.
I thank the honourable member for giving way. On International Human Rights Day, would you agree with me that the violation of the IPOB tribe's human rights needs resolution and the Biafran leader should be released, like my honourable friend for Camberwell and Beckham has recently made representation to?
The honourable member clearly speaks with extremely great knowledge about these issues, and I'm sure she'll be raising them with the Foreign Secretary and with the Development Secretary.
Not minding anything we may have said before, or I may have said. The fact of the matter is that the very count 7 laid under Criminal Code Act Cap C45, my lord, is not Nigerian law. It doesn't exist. It just doesn't exist. Why should I be in detention over charges that don't even exist, my lord?